Hi, my name's Connie Gross, and I'm an infant and early childhood mental health consultant for the Children's Resource Center in Bowling Green, Ohio. And tonight we're just going to do a quick strategy video about hello and goodbye rituals. So on the screen here is a great resource just put out by the National Center for Pyramid Model Innovations. And these are all ways that we could give greetings with using social distancing, which is kind of neat. So I wanted to share that with you, and you can see the website there if you want to go check that out for yourself. But having a greeting or goodbye ritual just really means that we have a routine way of saying hello or goodbye to either our own children or children in our classroom. And there's some important components to that that we want to try to make sure we incorporate. We know that if a child gets eye contact, physical touch, a present adult, and a playful situation, that they're going to get a chemical release in their brain that says this interaction feels good. And so we want to try when we're able to do those things. Obviously, right now, because of social distancing, doing that physical touch piece might be a bit harder, but hopefully some of these greeting ideas might be able to steer you in a way that would help you make a connection with a kiddo in a way that would feel good for them. The other benefit of using a hello or goodbye ritual is that it's predictable. Saying goodbye to someone that you love, mom, dad, your teacher, that's hard. And none of us really like to say goodbye. So giving them a predictable way of doing that, doing it the same way every time, helps children to feel safe. And so thinking about a way you could create that with your child or the children in your classroom. These examples are awesome. There's lots of others online. You can do some fun things like this is a fishy high five or greeting or goodbye. You could do a butterfly. You can Google lots of ideas, but your children might be able to help you come up with some ideas too. And generally they think that's kind of fun. So this is one way to help make saying goodbye or being reunited with your kiddo fun for them and just a way of helping them feel loved as they get started into the next transition and activity. I hope you can check out the rest of our videos on our YouTube channel, the Children's Resource Center, for more strategies about social emotional wellness. Thanks.